Ciao and welcome to another episode of Cooking with G. I'm your host, G. And of course, I have none other than Mrs. Pellegrino.
Thank you so much and welcome back. Right now we're going to make some arancini, and that translates to rice balls. Try to pay attention and make them because they are good.
Just so you guys know, there is a written description of the recipe, so if you weren't trying to watch the entire video, we do have it written down in the link in the description box below.
Amen. So right now we are going to start by having a cup of cappuccino.
Cappuccino. What's the difference between espresso and cappuccino?
Espresso is just black coffee without the creamer.
Or an X, right? No espresso.
No espresso, no. Espresso.
Yes.
Here we are.
Okay, to take the edge off, right?
Absolutely. These are biscotti.
So biscotti.
Biscotti, not biscotti.
Not biscotti. It's biscotti.
Sugar, spices, and everything nice. Try one.
I'm on a diet though.
For what? What are you gonna lose? Your hair?
Salute. I am a dunker. I love to dunk things. These are great.
Are they good?
You should teach me to make this.
Next time. No, thank you.
No?
No, I don't want any.
Why not?
You know how hard I have to work to keep what I have.
You look great. Okay, we should probably start. Fun fact, arancini, well, the first time I've ever had arancini was actually made by Mrs. Pellegrino.
That's when she was a little kid, little girl.
Yeah, I was super young, and my grandmother, my nonna, she had arancini, and I was like, Nonna, what are these? And she's like, Miss Pellegrino made them, let's try them. And then I was like, whoa, like I needed to learn this, so here we are. I begged Mrs. Pellegrino to make them with me, and she's gonna give away her secrets to you guys, so.
Whatever I do, I will show you what I do.
So yeah, make sure you subscribe, and if you never want to miss a video.
I need to get a spoon, a wooden spoon.
Don't hit me.
I need to use our body or rice only, not the regular Carolina rice and whatever else they have on the market. This is ready to put the rice in there because the onions changed color. You immediately stir and toast the rice a little bit.
Do you want to say anything to your fans?
I love you all. Valentine's Day is coming up.
You want to make this for your bae?
Yeah.
Mr. Pellegrino?
Yeah.
Too bad I'm single. I have nobody to make these for.
Oh, you can make them for your boyfriend when you have one.
I'll make these for my papa. How about that?
Oh, yes, you'll like them.
Do you think I need to be with someone?
Yes. Everybody needs somebody.
I need myself. Don't worry, when I get married, you're going to be one of the first people that I invite.
If I'm waiting for that, I'll be dead by then. You have to come to the cemetery and see me.
Oh my God.
Don't you want to have a family?
Yes, I can have a family. I'm going to have a big family. I want like 5 kids.
How do you think you're going to have those 5 kids?
Shade.
Shit. I'm going to cool it out in the patio. It's nice and cold. We live in Rochester, New York. It's cold.
Did you hear that new Justin Bieber song?
I didn't hear what?
The new Justin Bieber song? Justin Bieber.
Oh, Justin Bieber. Yeah.
Bieber.
Beaver, right?
Bieber.
Yeah. Isn't that what I said?
Not, you said beaver like the animal.
Oh, okay.
You want to hear it?
Yeah.
You gotta tell me if you like it.
He's older. Alexa, can you play some Italian music?
Miss Pellegrino didn't like Justin Bieber's new song Yummy, so she's asking Alexa if she'll play some Italian music instead.
Can you play some Italian music? 60s and 70s, if you will.
I couldn't find any Italian 60s, 70s songs.
Okay, then just play, Alexa, just play whatever you
What do you
have.
want me to play?
Anything you have.
Yummy by Justin Bieber on Amazon Music.
You can get all this merch at Hardcore Italian store. Use my code Cooking with G for 10% off.
Do that. They're fun. And I just put a little indentation with my finger in here.
Looks like you're making a snowball.
Yeah. How's that?
Perfect. Oh, guess what?
What?
I love you. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that this is going to be a vegetarian arancini because I don't eat meat.
But if you want to put the meat in there, what you do is you saute some ground beef and some garlic, and then you put some tomato paste. Depending on how much meat you have, you put some peas at the end. Gotta be careful. Even when you move them, you better be careful, okay?
What do you think?
I think they're good. You can have a little side dish of marinara sauce and just dunk them in there.
I think we might do that for dinner.
Yeah. Should we call Mr. Pellegrino now?
Should we call Mr. Pellegrino? Yes, let's call him. There he is.
Buon appetit. Delizioso. Even without sauce, they're delicious. I think I'm gonna go and try it and finish this here.
Okay, that's all we have on this episode of Cooking with G, featuring Mrs. B.
I hope you try them. I know it's a lot of work, but it's worth it. Goodbye until the next time when we'll make something else.
And remember, if you want us to make anything specific, just comment below.
Just let us know.
And we'll make it. Ciao!
Ciao!